Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another tutorial and we are learning how you can easily sign up for the first time on Kimi AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, make sure to download the Kimi AI application from your mobile devices or tablets and launch it open. Make sure to download the Kimi AI application developed by Moonshot AI. And once you do that, once you're inside this welcome screen, you'll need to choose how you'd like to sign up with. You can tap on continue with Google or phone number login. I'm just gonna tap on the phone number login option. Now agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping agree in the pop-up, and on the next page, enter a phone number in the text box. You'll need to choose your country code from the left-hand side menu and then enter the phone number. After typing down your phone number, click on Verify and Login. On the next page, enter the verification code that you received via SMS on the provided number. Or you may also receive the code via WhatsApp. After you type in the correct code, soon after you do that, you will be able to get inside your Kimi AI account. Now you can finish up your profile setup, go to the top of the screen and tap on your current username, and you can also edit that, change it to something else. You can now start chatting, asking questions or using its tool right away. And that's it. Signing up usually takes less than 2 minutes. If anything doesn't load, refresh the page or try again with another login method. So that is how you can easily complete your sign up for Kimi AI in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.